Hello guys, Philswell here today with a Dubwool Champions Path 4-pack break. Um, so, been getting a lot of cards recently, so just to put on my YouTube channel. So we got some Dubwool here. Just to try to get another Charizard. I already pulled the Rainbow Rare one, but I can never have enough Charizards. Alright. 4 packs, let's go. Very unlikely we hit anything, but you never know. Luck hasn't been on my side today, so a nice little Dubwool V. A nice little big Dubwool V. And then the 4 packs. So let's see. Come on, please. Please, code card. Come on, Charizard. Even though we got another one, we already got one. So Champions Path. 3 to the front, and we do take the energy off. So we got Hop, Hatterm, Sonia, Weedle, Kakuna Matata, Carvana, Potion, a Vulpix, Altaria, and a Alcremie VMAX. I will take that. A nice, good old Alcremie VMAX. So at least we hit one thing so far. First pack. So we're looking for the Charizard. Looking for either the Rainbow Rare Charizard or the Shiny Charizard. Already have the Rainbow Rare. So getting the Shiny definitely would be nice, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. So we got Victini, Hyper Potion, Rotom Phone, Full Heal, Sizzlepede, Purloin, Ekans, Potion, a Full Heal, and an Altaria Hollow. All right. 2 packs left. I guess it doesn't really matter how I open these. The code card's always going to be white. So there we go, code card for you. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Psychic Energy. So we got an Absol, Beedrill, Rotom Bike, Vulpix, Trubbish, Roly-Poly, Galarian Zigzagoon, Weedle, got a Rockruff, and a Scrafty Hollow. A Scrafty Hollow. Alright, last pack magic. Come on, last pack magic. Let's go. We got this. We got this. We get a lot of first pack magic, but that's about it. It just kind of ends there. I know you guys all want that code. First come, first serve. So we got Absol, Great Ball, Pokemon Center Lady, Swablu, Kakuna, Pokeball, Machop, Hattini, a BD. What is this? Oh, a Grab Locked V full art. So 2 full arts. I will gladly take 2 full arts. None being the Charizard, but hey, hitting off to 50-50 there is not too bad. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.